Now it's time to say goodbye to those AI or GPT formulas. AI Assist Works enables you to fill spreadsheets with a simple command. Let me show you how it works. You can tell the AI which column to use and where to put the result. No copy-paste. No drag and drop. It's as simple as giving a command. Add column category based on column product name and description. Put in column E. The category must be specific to the product. Click Apply and wait for the AI to fill the spreadsheets. It will generate the first 30 rows as a preview, which you can then click. The product category column is now generated. No GPT-2 AI formula is needed. It works with a single sentence. Let's check the result. It perfectly generates categories based on the value in each row. Let's click Continue to process the next rows. It will proceed with a single click. The AI has finished generating all the rows based on our instructions. Filling hundreds or thousands of rows is now as easy as giving a command. Now, let's try another one. Add a column of Twitter engaging tweet based on product name and description. Put in column F. Ensure it fit Twitter character limit and have engaging tone. Click Apply, then wait for the AI. The engaging tweet is now generated based on our instructions for each row. You can improve the prompt to make the results better. There's no need to do this manually one by one in ChatGPT. Everything is as easy as creating a single tweet. Let's continue generating for the remaining rows. In some cases, there might be a slow API response that causes a timeout. If that happens, simply click back and then click Continue again. All the rows are now populated with the tweet. Let's try another one. Translate from one language to another. Click Apply. The AI is using Google's native translation method, which is correct, but in our case, we want to use our own AI. We need to be specific and ask the AI to use the AI fill functionality. Let's add more specific instruction to use AI fill. Click Apply. Great. Now the AI has translated each row using AI instead of Google Translate's native function. This translation might be better because we can give the AI more specific instructions. Let's click Continue. Translating hundreds or thousands of sentences or product names is now as easy as a simple command. Let's try another one. Now we are replacing the same column. Change product description, make it shorter as one sentence and include emoji. Put in column B. Click Apply. The AI starts replacing the same column as your input and makes changes based on your instructions. This is fine if you're confident in the results. We recommend creating a new column first, then copying and pasting later if you want to review the results easily. Now it's your turn. Install AI Assist Works and say goodbye to AI or GPT formulas.